Hello, today I'm going to talk to you about the BTR hydration bladder and answer one of the most common questions we get asked about it. The question being, what is the plastic type taste when first using the bladder, and more importantly, how can we get rid of it? Okay, the first thing to point out is that all of our bladders are made BPA free and BPS free, so they're perfectly safe and the taste is in no way harmful and in no way means that there's any bad chemicals in there. So on to how do we get rid of it? Well, a very quick Google or search on the internet will throw up that this is a very common problem with just about any plastic container that you drink water from. It doesn't matter if it's a hydration bladder like ours or a water bottle. It's just very common that you get this plastic taste. The solution is also actually quite common, and most people seem to, there's different variations, but most people will come up with the same solution. And that is, okay, when you first get the bladder, is to give it a good wash with warm soapy water. So pretty much fill it up with warm soapy water, good shake around just to make sure it gives it a really good clean. Then empty that out, rinse that out. Then you want to make up a solution with 1 tablespoon of bicarbonate soda, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, mix that with some warm water, no soap in it this time, fill it about 2/3 to 3/4 full, and then leave it to soak. We'll give it a good shake first, but then leave it to soak. We recommend 30 to 60 minutes, but to be honest, the longer you leave it, the better the results are going to be. Once it's left it to soak for 30 to 60 minutes, then give it a good rinse. This is the final stage, so give it lots of rinses. You just want to make sure you get all of the soap, all the bicarb, lemon, and out of it. So rinse it several times, and then once you've done that, you're going to be good to go, and there's going to be no more bad taste when using the bladder. Okay, I hope you find this useful. Any comments or questions, then please feel free to contact us. Thank you very much for listening.